This is a used 2012 Honda Ridgeline, powered by four-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter, six-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 15,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. The features include a power sunroof, leather seats, heated seats, a HomeLink system, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, alloy rims, dual temperature controls, automatic climate control. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.